Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Garmin HRM-Dual heart rate monitor and you need to change the battery on it, it's a really simple process. There's just a couple things that you need to know. First of all, you need a C2032 battery. If you don't have one of those, I will put a link in the description to where you can get one for just a couple bucks. The only other thing you need to know is you need to remove these 4 screws on the back of the monitor, and you're going to need, they don't use a standard Phillips head or anything like that. They use a Torx T5 screwdriver, and these are really kind of finicky screws. It's very easy to strip the heads and then you have a real headache, so you should really just do this with the Torx T5 screwdriver. If you don't have one, also I'll put a link in the description. You can get one for $5 on Amazon with free shipping, and you won't ruin your heart monitor that way. But all we need to do is remove these 4 screws. This top will pop off, and then we can just kind of turn this over and tap it on a table or whatever to make this battery fall out. Then we're just going to put then just wait about 30 seconds to just let everything clear out. Then put your new battery in, your new 2032 in with the plus side facing up. Put this in, screw the screws back on, and you're done. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.